Don't read the success stories. Don't read the success stories, only you will get the message. Read the failure studies, you will get the idea how to get success. Hello everyone, myself Nigar Sultana. I welcome you all to R&D Digital Learnings. In our previous video, we have learned how to solve the problems based on picking a card from a pack. In our previous video, we have learned the problems based on cards. In this video, we are going to learn the problems based on picking a certain color of ball. You can download the notes of this video. The link will be provided in the description box. Watch this video till the end to know the password of the file. Now let's move on to our computer screen.
Hello everyone, this is our fourth video of probability. In this session, we are going to learn the problems based on the color balls. In our previous video, we have learned the problems based on cards, shuffling of cards. In this session also, we have got 4 or 5 problems based on this type. Now let's understand this based on the color balls. So the first problem is a bag contains 6 white and 4 black balls. 2 balls are drawn at a random. Find the probability that they are of same color. I have told you the problems of the probability. First we must mention the sample. Okay, sample is denoted as S, right? S means it is sample. Now how will you represent this n of S? N of S can be represented as what has been given. First we must list that. So how many white balls we have? We have 6 white balls, and we have how many black balls? Black are 4. Now what is the sample? So now we cannot add like this, 6 plus 4 as 10. This is, we are taking how many balls at a time? 2 balls at a time. Now we must, so this is our 10, this is 10C2. Now how will you expand this? 10 into 9 divided by 2 into 1. So this is a formula of combinations. Already we have done this in our previous video. If you are not aware of this, please watch the previous video to know the concept of combination. When I simplify this, I'll get the solution as 45. Okay, this is my number of samples. Now I must extract the event. What is E here? E is 2 balls has to be drawn at random. Then what is the probability that they are of the same color? Now I must know what is the n of E, right? Number of events. How will you extract this? See here, I must take same color. Now if I talk about, see, 2 balls. If I talk about this 6 white balls, we have 6 white balls, right? Now I want 2 balls from this. How will I write this? This can be written as 6C2. Means out of 6 I am extracting 2 balls, or I am picking the 2 balls. Now, or it can be black balls also, right? It can be white or it can be black. If I take this white out of 2 balls, I will be writing 6C2. Now, and 4 balls means out of 4 I must randomly I must pick 2 balls. How will I write this? Or 4C2. This is 2 for these 2 balls, and this is 4 for total ball of the black balls. Now how will you expand this? This can be written as 6 into 5, 2 into 1, plus this can be written as 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 1, and this is 3. 3 5s are, this is 15 plus 1, this is 2. 2 3s are 6. This is my 21. Now n of S is 45, right? And n of E is 21. Now how will I write the probability? Probability can be written as number of events divided by number of samples. Yes. What is this number of E? That is 21 divided by 45. If I simplify this, I'll get the solution as 7 by 15. So what is the probability of this event? This is 7 by 15. I hope you have understood this problem. Now let's move on to the next problem. Yes, next. A ball contains 6 black and 8 white balls. First, take down what has been given in this problem. So how many black are there? 6. How many white? 8. Right. Now, one ball has to be drawn at a time. It can be black or it can be white. And when, see, they have given the condition as the probability that the ball is white. Now, we are not talking about black, we are talking only about the white here. Now, first I must write the sample, right? So, now in a bag, we have how many black balls? 6 black and 8 white. Now, the condition is only one ball has to be drawn, which is of white only. Right. Now, among this, how will I write the sample? Sample can be written as, so this is my sample, right? Now, n of s. So, when I total this, 6 plus 8, this is my 14. 14 is my sample, because see, totally I have 14. Now, among this 14, I am taking only one ball, which is of type white. How will I write this? So, now, so what is the white here? So, how many number of white? This is my event, right? How will I write this? Events, number of events are 8, correct? Now, let's write the probability of this, n of e and n of s. Now, this is n of e is how much? 8. Because, see, why we are not using the concept of combination is, because only one ball we are drawing here. When we are talking about 2 balls or 3 balls or 4 balls, we use the concept of our combination. So, now here we are talking only about the one ball. So, directly we can write it as 8, because 8 white balls we have. So, now what is n of s? N of s is 14. When I simplify this, I will get 4 by 7. P of E is 4 by 7. Now, let's move on to the next problem. A bag contains 4 white, 5 red and 6 blue. Write down what is given first. How many white we have? 4. Then we have red 5, blue 6. Yes. Now, 3 balls are to be drawn at random from a bag. What is the probability that all of them are red? So, now this is my bag. I have 4 white, 5 red and 6 blue. Now, what is the event? Events are blue. Now, all the 3 balls has to be red itself. Okay. Now, first, let's calculate what is the sample case. So, what is the sample case? Totally, when we add this, we get 15. Yes. Now, how many I must pick up? 3. Right. So, n of s is equals to 15C3. This can be written as 15 into 14 into 13 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So, what's the solution? When I simplify this, I will be getting 455. Now, I must know what is the number of events. What is the events? 3 balls, which is all of them should be red. So, how many total number of red we have? 5. Now, how many has to be picked? 3. When I simplify this, see, 5C3 which is equals to 5C2. Already we have learned this. 3 minus 2, this is, this is 5 minus 3 we get as 5C2. So, this is the, so always this is equal. Now, how will I expand this? This can be written as 5 into 4, 2 into 1. So, I will be getting 10. Now, so we have got what is number of samples and number of events. Now, let's find out what is the number of, probability of the event. So what is n of E divided by n of S? So what is n of E? 10 divided by 445. So when I simplify this, I will be getting 5 2s are 10 and 591. Yes. So this is the probability of the event. Now let's move on to the next problem. This will be our last problem based on the color balls. Now a bag contains 6 white balls, right? First, write down what is given. How many white do we have? 6. Next, red color balls of 4. So this is my bag. In this bag I have 6 white and 4 red. Now 3 balls has to be drawn. Okay, 3 balls has to be drawn at random. What is the probability that 1 ball is red, 2 are white? Now this has to be 1 and this red has to be, white has to be 2 and 1 has to be red, right? Now first let's calculate the samples. So what is the total we have? Total are 10. Now how many has to be picked up? 3. So now number of S is equals to 10 C3. Simplify this. 3 into 2 into 1. Now this is, when we simplify this, this is 120. Now event. Now we are talking about the event. 1 ball is red and another 2 are white. How will you write this? So 1 I must take out from total 4, right? This can be written as 4 1, right? 1 out of 4 plus. So now we are talking about the AND here, right? When you talk about AND, it should be multiplication. Now and 2 white balls. So 2 out of 6. How will you represent this? 6C2. Correct? Now how when we simplify this, n C1 is nothing but n itself. So this is my 4 star. Now what is this 6C2? This can be expanded as 2 into 1. This is 1 and this is 3. 4 into 3 into 5. So this will give us 60. So now we have got what is n of S and n of E. Now let's calculate the probability of the event. So this can be written as n of E divided by n of S. So what is n of E? N of E is 60 divided by 120. When we simplify this, we will get it as 1 by 2. Probability of this event is 1 by 2. I hope everyone have understood this concept of problems based on color balls. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment in the comment section.
Do like our video, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.